Would you win more business if you could offer your customers more than just radiators or underfloor heating? What if I told you that you could give them all of the space saving and performance benefits of underfloor, but with the simplicity and response times of a radiator? Because that is where ThermaSkirt comes in, and that is why our registered installers program is growing very quickly. Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably know that energy prices are at a painful all-time high, and more homeowners and businesses than ever are looking to improve the performance of their heating system as well as upgrade the overall look and aesthetics of their properties. ThermaSkirt H2O works with boilers and heat pumps, and ThermaSkirt-E is our direct electric infrared skirting heating system. We're looking to partner with forward-thinking and innovative plumbing, heating and electrical companies to expand our network of registered installers. So, how does it work? Once you register your interest in becoming an approved installer, we will send you out a free sample of the product. We accept the fact that ThermaSkirt is not going to be for everybody, so it's really important to me that you get to grips with exactly what the product looks and feels like. If you decide that it's a good fit for your business and your customers, then we've got to look at three things: training, support, and of course, ongoing projects. Training. So we've got installation videos, of course, but in addition to the installation training videos, we also do on-site training. We've all been in a sterile training centre where the boiler's on the wall, the pipe work's ready, the wiring's half done, yet when you actually get to site to do your first real install, you're in a tiny loft with no light and you're surrounded by Christmas decorations. So it doesn't work. I'm a big fan of in the field training, which is why we send out one of our actual install teams to do an actual installation with you amongst all the muck and bullets, solving problems as they come at you. Support. DiscreteHeat have a full-time in-house team of design and estimators, and we provide our approved installers with detailed designs, technical data, drawings, and of course a quotation for every single unique job. Once it's going ahead, we then ship the product directly from our factory to the job site for you to install at second fix stage. When you're doing the install, you can then lean on our in-house team of installers, either over the phone or on WhatsApp, to solve any technical issues as they arise, or to get more product information as you need it. Projects. We receive in the region of 500 to 1,000 new business inquiries every single month. And generally, we direct these inquiries to their nearest registered installer. And of course, it goes without saying that our typical customer is doing more than just a central heating replacement. More often than not, they're doing a full renovation, an extension, or even a brand new build, which means that a ThermaSkirt registered installer wins a job which is much bigger than the ThermaSkirt alone, often providing the boiler, the heat pump, and any of the ancillary controls. So if you think that ThermaSkirt could be the extra string to your bow as a neat and effective alternative to radiators, register your interest today and we'll be in touch. If you're not yet convinced, you can binge watch the rest of our videos here, and if you like what you see, why not like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Send you out a free sample of the product. No, too early. It's alright, keep going.
That's a bad throw.
Right, no. Right, okay, I'm smiling. It's good.